Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have been busy over the summer doing various bits and pieces. I did a little bit on the Range Rover. I think there's a TR register video knocking around where the Range Rover went round the course that was laid out. That was quite interesting. Basically, would it or won't it get round? If you haven't seen it, have a little look. Wheel cribs is the other thing. We said we wanted to get the Rover up higher so that we can carry on with the back end welding. Wheel cribs, they're just wooden stands that go underneath the wheels. Quite common in the States, I believe. Maybe not so much over in the UK. People are starting to cotton on as to what they are now. Easily done. I'm not going to show you how to make them. It's so simple, and I'll show you the ones I've done. You can modify them as much as you want to suit whatever you want, different sizes for doing different jobs. I'll explain how I've done mine and the reasoning behind it. They are a little bit longer than the norm, should we say, but then I'm hoping to get my Range Rover up on the stand so I can finish up a few jobs underneath as well. So they are going to be quite versatile and you can do all sorts to them. So I'll show you what they look like. Let's go and have a look. So as you can see, we've been a little bit busy. Took a bit of making, but now they're done, they're done. Let's go and have a look. So essentially they're just blocks. Let me show you. Okay, these are the two front ones. They're going to take all the wheel's going to sit on top of those. The uppermost bits of wood that you can see there is basically stop the wheel moving forward or backwards coming off the stand, if you like. These two here I'm going to play around with as yet, not quite finished, but what I'm going to do there, because I want the back wheels off to get to the welding bit, I'm going to put the axle stand, you can see just to the right, on top of these blocks, and that's going to make a great platform to sit on with the wheels off. As I say, you can modify them to your heart's content. Size, they're B&Q 63mm by 38mm. Plenty strong enough. So hopefully I can get them fitted. Yes, they're going to go up the car's got to go up in a couple of stages with some wooden blocks, but I'll try and might try and video that, I'm not too sure. We'll see how we go and get it up on its wheels. Right then, we're coming down. Shout out if you see anything not untoward. Let's go. Oh, that's alright, isn't it? Right, let's have a look around this side. That looks okay. Bit dark round here, I have to get another light, I think. But yeah, happy with that. And there's plenty of space underneath this. I'll go and measure for it in a minute. There's plenty of room under there. Right, what we got? Let's have a look. I've got 27 inches. That's pretty cool. Where are we? Nearly 28 at the back. Yeah, that's okay. Stacks of room. Absolutely stacks of room. I'll leave the jack under the axle at the moment. But yeah, that's looking pretty good. I've got a creeper coming. I think it's a couple of days' time. I'll be able to use the creeper under there and have a look around. That is plenty of room for me to do all sorts under there, brakes, everything. Gearbox if we need to, axle. Yeah, what a cracking idea that is. Yeah, pleased with that. I think we'll call that done. Yeah, nice. Absolutely rock solid. Oh, there she is, new acquisition. Just been and picked it up. Brand new, second hand. Who else has got that saying? Answers in the comments. Right, let's go and have a look underneath, see what we can find. Right then, let's go and have a look underneath this old girl. I'm going to start up at the front. Right, cross member, pretty absolutely solid, which is good. Good news. That's all just surface paint and underseal stuff. It's all good and solid. The chassis is all good and solid. This bit here, you can see what the clutch problem is. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. So we're going to have to take the gearbox out or the engine out, probably engine out. Sort that out. That's how I bought it. So I've got a bit of an issue there. Yeah, there's the telltale sign that it's got a 5-speed in it. I think it's this casing that gives the game away. All the strengthening ribs on it down the side. There we go. So I think somebody has been having been improving it over the years with bigger bore exhausts. I'm sure this isn't standard 5-speed gearbox. But so yeah, that was we saw that the other day. That was the welding we've done so far. So that's quite happy with all of that. I go down the back end. This bit here is to do, obviously, this side totally. Brake pipes, somebody's done them as well. They go all the way down, all looking good. In very good condition. I think they've been done because they're them nickel pipes. This is the bit we need to do. There we go. So we're working on this bit. We've got to add the bottom bit and finish up a bit of welding. That's the corner piece that I spoke about last time. We've got to do, I've made it, just got to weld it in. This has got to be cut out, this piece here. That just comes out in one unit. Yeah, but it's not looking too bad under here. Brakes, I don't know if you see the brakes up there. They're not looking too bad either. It looks like the calipers have been done recently. I say recently, I mean it's a few years ago, but pads are good. And they look as though they've been out and been refurbished at some time. Handbrake's all working, so that's encouraging. Same on the other side, which is good. Yes, you've got a bit of corrosion on this, but we can sort that out. So that's all looking good. This doesn't look factory. I'm not sure what's going on here. I'll just spin you around and see if you can get a better view of it. But it's definitely not leaking or anything like that. And the new hoses, pump somebody's put on there. So yeah, pretty good. Right, I'll just spin around. As you look, I'm not sure. Don't think that's factory. Definitely not with the rivets. Somebody made that. But it looks okay. I might do away with the reserve tank and just plumb in a single line from the reserve straight to the pump and just do away with a lot of this. Just makes it more reliable, I suppose. Anybody knows any different, let me know in the comments. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with the rest of the underneath. The boot is pretty good condition. That's the floor. It's all looking pretty good, other than this corner here. I think somebody's tried jacking it up at that point, but again, a relatively easy fix. So the inside of the car underneath is actually looking pretty nice. So yeah, it's just covered in that horrible undersill. Again, this is all just surface stuff. Just wants to tidy up. Yeah, looks good under here. Might do away with this silencer. And just put a straight pipe through. And then just stick, there's another silencer right at the back, so I might do away with that and put a straight through pipe in. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah, that's the bit I've got cut out. Looks worse than it is, but that's just fairly straightforward. It's all tidy up inside. There's a little bit of surface in there, it's pretty cool. Yeah, straightforward. So just finish up the bit we've done. That's good. So far. Yeah, I've obviously got this side to do, but there's a bit of a difference between that side and that side. Yeah, so press on. I think there's nothing here that I didn't already know about. So Yeah, it's got a nice exhaust, don't you think? It's quite big. I don't know what the diameter is. It's got to be getting on for over 2 inches. It's pretty cool. Yeah, again, this is, yeah, if you just look carefully, it's just surface. Nothing untoward on here. Everything looks good and solid. Even this side on the, it doesn't look as much work down this side on the sill. I'm going to change the sill panel anyway because of the poor welding that's been done. But it's nowhere near as bad as the side I've just done, so hopefully that won't be too bad. We'll get around to doing it at some point. But yeah, certainly putting it on these wheel grips has made a huge difference. I can really get underneath it. Yeah, that's pretty good. Quite happy with that. Again, I don't know about taking a quick look. It does look a bit tight up there, that gearbox. Might be easier taking the engine out. I think I want to do the engine anyway, just have a look, make sure it's alright. To sort this clutch problem out. Yeah, so it's definitely not too bad down there. Even that bit there looks better. Yeah. Don't forget to like. Subscribe. It's free. Share and comment. See you next week. Bye.